In an interconnected world, how power is distributed within a nation-state remains crucial. Devolution and decentralization aim to bring governance closer to the people. Local communities often understand their own needs better than distant central governments. These approaches promote greater autonomy and decision-making at the local level. They empower communities to shape their destinies and foster ownership over local affairs. However, implementing these concepts is not without challenges. Balancing local autonomy with national unity and ensuring equitable resource allocation are key hurdles. Understanding these concepts helps appreciate their potential for more responsive, accountable governance. Devolution and decentralization represent distinct approaches to redistributing power. Devolution transfers power from a central government to a sub-national government, often permanently. The devolved government gains significant autonomy to legislate and govern within its jurisdiction. A prime example is the United Kingdom, where Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland have their own parliaments. This allows regions to tailor policies to their specific needs. Decentralization, however, encompasses the transfer of power to various actors, including local authorities and private organizations. France exemplifies decentralization, with power distributed among regions, departments, and communes. These entities manage local affairs and deliver public services. While the central government retains ultimate authority, decentralization empowers local communities. Devolution and decentralization share the goal of bringing governance closer to the people. This proximity enhances democratic participation and improves public service delivery. Local governments understand their communities' specific challenges and priorities. This allows them to tailor policies and services more effectively. These approaches promote citizen participation in decision-making. However, capacity issues within local governments can hinder effective implementation. Building strong local institutions takes time and investment. Economic disparities between regions can also widen if not managed carefully. Addressing these disparities requires equitable resource allocation and intergovernmental cooperation. Navigating devolution and decentralization requires a guiding principle. Subsidiarity dictates that decisions should be made at the lowest competent level of government. It advocates for empowering communities to manage their own affairs. This principle values local knowledge, experience, and accountability. Implementing subsidiarity requires clear delineation of responsibilities and effective intergovernmental cooperation. When applied effectively, subsidiarity optimizes governance structures. Devolution and decentralization enhance democratic governance and public service delivery. Success hinges on careful planning, capacity building, and adherence to subsidiarity.